Good day, guys. Welcome to another edition of Pixellab introduction. Today, I'll be teaching you people about those stroke, Bezier tools, and the rest, shadow, and so on and so forth. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Let's remove this default option. I believe people know how to remove those default options and the rest. Let's just head straight to import so that people will understand something. Let's import an image here. Okay, which image will I import now? Okay, let me say I import. Let me import this. Import this image. Import it here. Mind you, this image have background. That's why it is showing white. Maybe next time I'll show you people how to remove background from an image. But meanwhile, let me remove it with Pixellab so people will see. Let's come to this place. Look at me as I'm doing it. So look at this erase color. Go, you enable it. You see the white color will fade. See, white color have gone. Okay. Next on our list is that's how I'll teach people today. Let's go to let me say stroke. Enable the stroke. Let's say I want to stroke it with blue. See that the blue is in the corner of the guy. Let's increase the stroke. You see, can add stroke to it. You see, that is a work of stroke. You can add this to any design. Okay, let me just leave it in 3. Click on that good. Want to go to eraser. Okay. You see this one. You can also use eraser to remove the background. You do it properly, you remove the background. But since I've already removed the background with the erase color, so there's no need for this other one again. Let me just click on the good. Okay, this mask, let me leave that one aside because that one is just for making logo and the rest. Let me come to rotate. See it? People know how rotate work. Okay, let me go to 3D text. Okay, this one is not text, it's image. Let me leave that 3D text first. Okay, let me say I want to add shadow to it now. Let me add shadow that people can see, like white shadow. See, in the white now is also there. See, like white shadow. Okay, let me make it black. Since this background now is black, I've not changed it, so the thing will look dull to you. Let me see if I can try seeing the shadow cannot show because the background is somehow dark. Let me leave it in this red also. Okay, let me click on the good. First of all, let me go and change the color in the background. Let me change the color to white. Okay, click on this good. Then I'll come back to this other place here. Let me go back to that shadow. You see the shadow? You can increase it and reduce it. Let me add black to it. Black shadow. See it now? That's black shadow. I can as well reduce the blur radius or I can increase it. Okay, let me use in this 25. Click on the good. Okay, this inner shadow, this one is mostly in text, that this one do work. Let me enable it. You see, it's like there's another shadow inside. You can as well increase the blur radius or you reduce it, anyone you choose. Okay, click on the good. Next thing I will show you, those embos, those ones does not matter now. Okay, the next one, let me say, let me go to text. Let me write something that people will see. Let me write something first. Let me see. Okay, right. Let me see. I might even spell it. Training. Click on this T to make it capital letter. See, click on the OK. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down here. Make it big. Okay. Let me add color. Let me see. It's red. People can see it now. Look at something I want to do now. You see this string is on top of this man here, it's on top of this scientist. Okay, let me say I want to take it to the back. You can click on this to back. You see it's the training writing will go to the back of the man. If I want to take it to the front, you also click on this to front. You see that's how to do it. If you want to copy this training first, this training text, you can click on this copy here. See it. That's it. Then you can send this one to the back and this other one, let's go and take it to the front. You see? That is that for that. One's at the back, one's at the front. That is it. I believe people know the meaning of that relative position, size, and the rest. This left padding, this one is not that important. See, if you want to shift the text to that side, that is it. Right padding, you see it. Just want to increase the size. Okay, click on the good. Okay, people know the rest. Okay, this align. Just let me write a longer text so we can use our align key. Okay, let me say okay, let me just make everything bold. Let me go on. Okay. See those texts now. If I want to align it, let me go to this align. Say, oh, see something. Align. You can choose to align to this. You see the writing will go to this other corner. If you want to align to the center, you can click on center. Everything will be at the center. Or to this other corner. You see it. That is align. You can click on good. If you want to add space to it, like space it. For you to make the writing to be wide, you can space it. You see, you can space it. As you are spacing is the writing, some of them are coming down because of the space the thing is taking. Let's take it back to normal. That is, click on a good. Add this line spacing here to increase it up, and to space it upwards or down. You see it. So that is that for that. Click on the good. Okay, let's go to stroke in text. Let me stroke text for people so that people can see something. Stroke, enable. You see it. It's black already in the stroke. You can as well increase it. You see it. The thing is not fine like this. You can stroke it to any color of your choice. Any color at all. You can stroke it to any color. Okay, but let me go with that black. It's fine like this. Okay, let me reduce it. Look at it so you see that this training at the front, this training the boy on graphic design. The color now is different from that training at the back of this scientist because I had stroke to it. Okay, let me as well add shadow. See something? The thing is now darker a little bit. You can as well reduce the opacity of the shadow or you increase it. You can as well increase the radius as to make it darker, or you can also reduce it. So that is that for that. This inner shadow, just the same thing I did to this scientist. So that is that for that. TVD rotate. See, you can turn the writing like this. You can turn it upside down. You can rotate it. Okay, let me just bend it like this. Okay, see it. Click on this good. 3D text. Let's make the writing 3D. Enable it. You see something? It's not bigger. You can increase the depth or you reduce it. Any one of your choice, anyone you choose, just do. Okay, let me just leave it like this. You can also darken it. There are different features here. See it. Let me just go on this good 3D shadow. See, it can also add 3D shadow, increase the opacity of the shadow, or you can also reduce it. So that is that for that. So this reflection. Okay, let me add reflection to it. Reflection. You see, this training the boy on graphic design is showing at the down now. You can as well reduce it like this, the vertical offset, or increase it. So that is that for that. Let's just leave it like this. Click on this good again. I believe that is all to show you people today. Okay, let's come to this last place. Okay. This image size, you people know about that one. That is how to set size on Pixellab, but just leave that aside. I'll teach you about that one next time. Why this from gallery? Let's do something from gallery and see. I want to also import image from gallery, but this one is different from that normal importation. Okay, let me take like this guy. Okay, let me click on this good. You see, it's like the guy next. It's now at the back, like it's not the background of the design. It's now on the background. You see it. So it's different from that our importing that we did before now. So that is that for that. I believe that will be all for today. Good day, have a nice day. Please try and watch the first video I did concerning this introduction of Pixellab and this other second one so that you can know what you are doing. Thank you very much. Let's save it now. Save as PNG. The dimension turn it to ultra. Save to gallery. Let's wait for it to save. Rendering image. Sometimes it do takes more time to save, while sometimes in the space of 2 seconds it will save. So let's just wait for it patiently. It's really taking time. Oh. Okay, let's just end this here. That is it. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for joining the class today.